Okay, having a look at, this is part 4 in this series on going through a revision sheet. We're up to question 5 now, and we are converting the numbers to scientific notation with 3 significant figures. So to start with, I'm going to do the scientific notation part of this one. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I've got 1.332 to the power of 15. And then I have to decide about my 3 significant figures. So I'm looking 1, 2, 3. There's my first 3. My next one is a 2. So I'll round that down to, I'll move it across here, 1.33 by 10 to the 15. The next one is a small number. I'm going the other way. I'll just grab a lighter colour to make it a little bit easier to see. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 jumps that we've done there. So that will be 3.569 by 10 to the negative 9. Just forgot how many I'd done. I think it was 9. And then I want to look at my 3 significant figures. So I have got 3.56. The 9 means I'm going to round that up. So I'll write 3.57 by 10 to the negative 9. I might just double check those jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, was 9. Okay, so my answer there then was 3.57 by 10 to the negative 9. The next one we've got over here. I'll grab a different colour for this one. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to get to 6.3 there. To the 10, and I might just double check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, by 10 to the 10. And then I'm going to look at my 3 significant figures. The next one is an 8. So I'm going to write that as 6.36 by 10 to the 10 there. And the last one of these we've got, and I'll grab an orange this time. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and actually I've gone way too far there. I'm going to rewrite that over here. So I've got 0.000698.211. Got a bit carried away with my jumps. I only want to go between the 6 and the 9 there. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So that will be by 10 to the negative 4. And I've got the 6.98211. And I only want 3 significant figures. So I'm looking at what's next to my third, which is a 2. So I'm going to round down and write 6.98 by 10 to the negative 4 for that one. In question 6, we are going back the other way. So I think I might transfer this one onto some separate paper just so I've got a bit more space there. So I've got 2.69 by 10 to the negative 6. So here's my 2.69. And I'm going to move the decimal place because I have negative 6 there. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bring my decimal point back down. So I get 0.000000269. And I will rewrite that. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. There. Then I've got 5.6963 to the power of 5. So I'm going to write that down. Whoops. 5.6963, and I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jumps. So I've got 5.69630 as my answer. The next one that we've got over here is 5.369 by 10 to the 4. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 and get 53690 as my answer. And the last one in this set is 6.3 by 10 to the negative 2. So I'm going to go 1, 2 jumps because I've got the negative, so I'm going back to the left this time. So I get 0.063 as my answer. And then we've got our calculation one. So I will do this in my next part video. So in part 5, I will go through how to do these questions.